Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of Noob Trading. I'm Jack, your host. Today I didn't take that many trades, only two. Like I said, since I massively took two L's in a row, I've decided to just go back to my old strategy of just scalping. So I'm trying to get back to 5,000. That's where I started with the account. Once I get back there, I'll have a little more freedom to take longer trades, but today I just did one scalp. I actually entered a little early and got out, and then I entered again. So let's go over it. Basically, took the trade at 10:31, so it's around here, right here actually. And why did I take that trade? Well, I was looking at price action. I also have the DOM I look at. And I was seeing it was having trouble getting above the 8, so it couldn't do it. And if you look at this here, this is actually yesterday's high. So if you look at over here, follow me to the 15-minute chart. This over here is yesterday's high. So what happened? Price went up here into external liquidity. It took it, and then what happens? Once price action takes out the liquidity up here, the external liquidity, it moves back into internal liquidity. Now there was a fair value gap here. I don't know if you guys use ICT concepts or not. Sometimes I use them. They are useful at times. They don't always work out, but this one, it made me think that, okay, we took out external liquidity. We're definitely going to go pull back to at least here. And you also have the 200 SMA over here. So I thought we're going to at least test it and bounce off. So I was expecting a retracement. And when I saw that it could not get back past, 8 into the resistance here at 10, 11, I just thought, okay, we're definitely going to have a pullback. And that's exactly what happened. So I took a short at 10:31 at 07. So just here. And I was expecting it to at least test the 700, and that's where I basically got out, because usually at 700 there's a bounce, and as you can see, it went a little past that, 197.50, and then there was a slight bounce, but then it went a little lower. I was not expecting it to go so low. I thought maybe it'll hit 98. I just didn't want to risk it with my account size. So that was the only trade I took. Then I had to go to a dentist, and boy, that was not fun. Had to get a root canal today. If you've ever had to do that, it is just so wow. And they didn't do enough. I don't know what it is, Novocaine or whatever they use to numb up, your tooth, whatever injection they use for the nerve. I guess they didn't use enough, because when she was drilling on my tooth, I still felt the pain, the nerve, and it was going right in my brain. So she had to redo that, and that was not a pleasant experience. Even afterwards, my whole left side of my mouth was numb. So I didn't take any other trades. I was feeling out of it, and it was an FOMC day. I don't like to trade those much anyway, so I'm still in probation due to my noob trading ways, where I took trades I shouldn't have taken. Now, I did think once we had that retracement here, if that fair value gap held, it would go up. I just didn't take the trade, but yeah, didn't have time either. But I was thinking, hey, there's a chance this will retrace and go back out. I don't know if you guys use fibs, but it was definitely a discount there. So as you can see, it was going up, and then it trades back at the 50, so it was in discount. And just getting in here, just getting in here would have been great, because you've got the 50% retracement, you've got the fair value gap that held, it didn't break, so then there's a good chance that it's going to go back into the highs and take out this external range liquidity, external liquidity, yeah. Okay. So let me just remove that drawing. Yeah, that's what happened. Those are the trades today. And it was $340. That was the profit today. Not big, not major, but I'll take it. Like I said, I'm going to be really conservative of it until I get back to 5,000 because I took some really, well, noob trades because anytime I get, into profits, I start being complacent. I forget all my rules, which is just dumb, but it's what I do. It's like when I'm scared and I'm trading to make money and to recover my account, I'm like the best trader ever. But then when I have some profit, I'm just like, it's like I forget all the rules. I don't know what happens. But anyway, I'm going to try to stay more diligent and vigilant and only take trades that are profitable or at least have the highest chance of profitability. So 340 today, nothing big. But again, I was only here for probably like, I don't know, 20 minutes. I missed the opening because I wasn't home, and then, like I said, probably had 10 minutes of observation here, but then I had to go to my doctor's appointment, so kind of missed all that. And I came back just, I think, as the rates, just as a rate decision was made around here. And then I don't like to trade when Powell speaks because Powell, you never know what he's gonna say. He can tank the market or he can floor it. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks.